Today we're gonna be doing the admin abuse, the steal up brainrot. The machine gone is actually into there, so you don't act. Just always go to the machine and everything. And there's only been about 7 minutes, so yeah, we're gonna do the early bird, and then we're gonna wait until the admin abuse. So what do I mean, Cupid? Mateo, only before my admin, it's present in your I've never seen spawn. Once we go to the escape tsunami tier LTM, can't be in here for too long. There is an hour and 6 minutes until admin abuse. Valentine's admin machine there. The game is feeling a little bit different today. For real, though. Oh, hello there. Bam. Sonic. I can't see. Then just quit and like I have the only thing in Silver Note I have not quit is the admin abuses. And to specify, I do not play Silver Note other than admin abuses. And according to my calculation, that is only 2 days. That is only 1 day. So that's only 1 day. So yes, to clarify, I have actually kind of quit Stealer Brainrot. So yeah, oh my gosh. "104 seconds until that goes. Guess it's a free secret for the fuse. Bazoo. 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 Meow. Meow. I do. Done. I'll put my job in. I don't want a job. I'm too fast. Put slow mode on. Chill puppy. I want the chill puppy. So there's a little bit. So let's do this. Let's put all of these in the fuse. And the Cupid Guitar is rare though. It's kind of rare, so but I'll put it in. It's still decent, so. Bikuru Aguru. I'm not putting the Migitito in. Who would put that in? Oh, I forgot I had these lucky blocks. What's that? Secret. Strawberry. Burrito Banditos. Nice. Oh, what? Oh, what is a surprise? Actually, you're going in the fuse. That happened so fast. Now what do we put into the fuse? I'm not putting my lost cucarachas. I love those things. They're so cute. Nah, yeah, I'll put it. First thing is a Tototosa hole. Oh, yeah. Done, and then if I leave, you're actually gonna okay, now let's just collect all our money. admin machine. So it's gone in 1 hour. 1 hour, 1 minute, it's actually wrong. 1 hour, 2 minutes, it gone. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I wonder what early bird is. Well, so you got lucky block, I won't complain. Thank you. Come on. Big cuckoo, a guru. What a surprise. Oh, really? Right after you activate. See you all in 1 hour. Okay, bye, Sammy. Sammy used to be choking on our movie because probably because he wanted to in his space. If he was wait, you see Sammy Beauty. I have just lost trios. Can I go this way? Oh, what a surprise. At least a love the whole. What are the secrets in here? Oh, heart lucky block on my Google. Love the whole is the worst secret. And the best secret is Rosie and Teddy. Bacon, Rosie and Teddy. I'll take that. I want to give Rosie a letter to a letter. Wait, oh, wow. 0.05%. Many. Hello.
I'm waiting for the rest of the family to answer. Well, Amelia can't because she's down, her phone's down here. Nobody else going to answer me?
No. I'll be back.
Okay, well, I can talk to you next door, so I'll ring Paris.
Daddy, answer Mommy's phone. Oh my God, I'm back. Sorry. How many are is 0? No, answer your phone. 1 in 20. Oh, it's a 1 in 20. So if I open 20 of those, I'm guaranteed to get it. 20 lucky blocks. Oh, it's a 1 in 2,000. Oh, well, like. A 1 in 200. Now 5% chance. There should be 1 in 25% chance. So each Coca-Cola, which is actually no longer going to have again. Don't play this. Please, hero. Just bring it. Oh, I only do admin abuses, okay? It's not that bad. Yeah? What? Zero, zero, zeros. Point 0.0000. 4 zeros. 1. Done. 1 in 10 million? 0.10. So 1. 1% chance is a 1 in 100. I need luck.
Daddy as well. Daddy! Quick, is Nutty Noah from Centre Park?
Who's that?
The one you've all had photos with. Nutty Noah from Pancake House. Nutty Noah's on Britain's Got Talent. And I can't pause. Nutty Noah!
Okay, who is that?
You've seen him in the Pancake House for years and you've got photos with him.
They're the smallest, quietest musical instruments, and I'm going to mix it with my largest, loudest musical instrument. Everybody,
Just now?
I have
Oh,
come
yeah.
today
Yeah,
to give you
it's
the
a new series.
and I hope you enjoy.
I'll just park it time now.
Tom's giving him a red.
Did he get through?
No.
Ah!
You got one that wasn't like 3 extras. So.
If you just played the song when you weren't on the stage, the audience, they would still be up dancing.
Hi guys. A warning. What about a warning? That's a 1 in 1.
Sadly, didn't even get to the end of his act properly. Well, he did, but 3 minutes. It's for naughty hour. You never been sent past Simon Cowell.
There's